Make a great choice today with the 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, ambient lighting, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.